Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I got message from some of you asking me how much money did you made from YouTube partnership program. So today I'm going to show you how much money I made from YouTube partnership program in 2021. I was monetized on December 21st, 2020. So I've been monetized for entire year. But I have to say that I didn't make as much money as I was hoping for, and there are different reasons for that. And one of the reasons is because I didn't devote that much attention to this channel. And the reason for that is strange things actually happened on this channel. At one moment I didn't have YouTube analytics for entire month. And that is the time where my videos are underperforming. I was getting less views than usual. And like I said, it lasted entire month. And I'm telling you this because you need to know that these things happen on YouTube. So don't be surprised if something like that happened on your YouTube channel as well. Also, before I show you how much money I made, I have to say a disclaimer. I see some guys here on YouTube telling you that you will earn $5 on 1,000 views, or you will earn $10, $15. There is nobody who can tell you how much money you will earn per 1,000 views on your YouTube channel. It depends on so many things, and not every month you will earn same money, and not every video will earn same money. It depends on too many things. So I know that you are eager to see how much money I made from my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube analytics. Here you can see in past 28 days, I got 17,398 views and I earned $153. And when I go here on revenue, you will see that not every day I was earning same amount of money. Here you can see on December 17, I earned only $2.40. But here you can see that on December 22nd, I earned $13.61. Not every day you will earn same money. So when I go here on overview and when I click here and choose 2021 to see how much money I made in entire year, in entire 2021 from YouTube partnership program. Here you can see I got 220,000 views in 2021. It says here 2020, but it's actually 2021. Here you can see I got 10,000 watch hours, 3,300 subscribers, and I earned $1,835 for entire 2021. Like I said, it's not what I was expecting, but there are different reasons for that. And like I said, it depends from month to month, from video to video. So when I go here on revenue, I will see how much money I made each day. Here you can see it was different from day to day, from month to month. And here you can see on average last year, my RPM, I was earning $8.61 per 1,000 views. CPM was $25.12 for entire year. This is the average for entire year. Like I said, it is different from different months. So for example, when I choose click here, for example, let me just click here on custom and I will choose October, for example. So let me just scroll to October. Okay, October 1st, October 31st, and click here on apply. And here you can see on average, I was earning $11.21 on 1,000 views for entire month. And my CPM was $32. Like I said, it is different from month to month. And here I earned only $3.32. But here I earned $18.04. Like I said, it's different for different days. And let me just go back on entire 2021. And when I scroll here you can see top earnings videos. Here you can see how to create coloring book for Amazon KDP. This video earned $46. This video here, so just CPA marketing for beginners, earned $43. And when I click here to see coloring book for Amazon KDP, you will see analytics for this video. Here you can see this video got 13,799 views. It earned $47. But when I go here on revenue, you will see that I was earning only $3.43 on 1,000 views. And when I go back here, so let me just go back and go back more and when I scroll here and when I click on this video, for example, you will see the data are different. here, and when I click here on revenue, let me just click here. Here you can see that this video earned $41 and I was earning $11.10 on 1,000 views. CPM was $45. Like I said, it is different for different videos. It's not the same, and that is why nobody can tell you how much money you can make per 1,000 views. That is really, really important. And let me just scroll more. You can see even more data about your YouTube earnings. So let me just scroll here. Here you can see ad types. As you can see, skippable ads are working best. They are getting me 93% of my revenue. So you should analyze this and then use those ads, mostly those ads in your videos, because like I said, skippable video ads are earning me 93% of my revenue. And here you can see earnings per month. As you can see, in October, I earned $241. That is my best earning month. And when you scroll here, you can see estimated ad revenue, $1,830. And YouTube Premium, I earned $5.69. So this is how much money I made in 2021 from YouTube. This is how much YouTube paid me from YouTube Partnership Program in 2021. And like I said, it will be different for each channel. You won't earn same money. I was earning on average $9 per 1,000 views. You may earn $1 per 1,000 views. You may earn $50 per 1,000 views. There is nobody who can tell you how much money you can make. So this is how much money I made. I hope this is useful. If it is useful, please give it a like and also share it with your friends. That's it for today. See you next time. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.